Can this phone really separate fact from fiction? Can it tell you if the person you're talking to is telling the truth or telling a lie? It's your call. I'll tell you about this product and some other innovative phone products coming up, so stay right there. Today we're going to check out some innovative phones, and the first one's right over here. Now at first glance it looks like a typical 900 megahertz phone. It has some nice features. It has caller ID, it has a little jack right over here for some headsets, a hook right here so you can hang it on your belt loop. It also has the standard features like redial and call memory and whatnot. But what's nice about this phone is it has something called Long Distance Manager. Now what Long Distance Manager is, it will find the cheapest long distance carrier for each long distance call you make. Now the way it works is pretty simple, really mindless from the user's point of view. You hit talk, you're going to set up a call, you hit long distance, and then you dial the number, the long distance number you're going to call. This automatically connects you to a company that seeks out and scans all the long distance carriers and picks out the cheapest one for that specific phone call. And then you get billed at the end of the month. There's no service charge, there's no hookup fee, and the company claims it can save you between 30 and 70% on your long distance bills. And if your long distance bills are anything like mine, that's a lot of money. Now this may look like a high-tech little mouse for a computer, but actually it's a high-tech telephone. And this is a tiny telephone. Take a look at it. It literally fits in the palm of your hand. Now it attaches to your regular phone line. It comes with 30 feet of cable. You plug it in here. Then right over here, you plug in some headsets. That's what I'm doing right now. And then you put on the earpiece, and now you can be on the telephone. Your hands are free, so if you have to do some housework, not a problem. Or if you're working in an office, again, your hands are free to do whatever you need to do. It also clips onto your belt, so you can walk around, and again, you have those 30 feet, so it gives you a lot of versatility where you can move around. You can take incoming calls, outgoing calls, but one of the really nice features is right over here. If you flip this switch up, you can get FM radio over the headsets. So when you're not on the phone, you can be listening to your favorite FM radio station. And when a call comes in, just push this button like this, take the call, whatever it is you have to deal with. Then you can also make some outgoing calls. When you finish with your telephone calls, go offline, and you're back listening to your favorite FM radio station. Kind of neat. Now this next product isn't a telephone, but it certainly makes using the telephone a whole lot easier. It's a voice-activated auto dialer. Now you store each of the phone numbers under different categories. You've got family, friends, work, and miscellaneous. And under each category it can hold 50 names, and under each name 4 telephone numbers. Now to show you how it works, you just push this button right here.
Say the name.
Nicole.
Calling Nicole at the office.
And there's Nicole's phone number. Now you take this device, put it up against a telephone, just like this, and then push this button, and it automatically dials Nicole's phone number. Pretty simple, huh? Another nice feature about it is it can hold credit card numbers and phone card numbers. You usually have a long access code with lots of digits you have to enter into the phone. It's tough to remember and kind of tough to do. This will do it for you. You enter the numbers into here once, then you put it up against the phone, push the button, and it enters those numbers for you. And finally, this is a phone with a really unusual feature. It's called the Truth Quest phone. And according to the manufacturer, this phone will tell you if the person you're talking to is telling the truth or telling a lie. Now the way this phone works, the manufacturer says they have a sensor inside the phone, and this sensor can pick up involuntary stress in the caller's voice. If it picks up that involuntary stress, the little red light goes on, and that tells you the person you're talking to may not be speaking the truth. If it's in the green, that means there is no stress, and that means they probably are telling the truth. Now this is really valuable, let's say in a business situation. You've got a business call coming in. There's a business call. Hey, don't you owe me some money?
The check is in the mail.
Aha! I knew it! Now not only is it valuable in business, but also for a relationship. This could save a relationship or really end a relationship. And this phone will certainly separate the truth sayers from the real phonies.